Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mexican Pharaoh channel. This is Layla, I'm her daddy James, and we're doing another Nerd Block unboxing for the month of May. Layla?
First thing we pull out. Pull out this pop figure.
And for those of you that were born or grew up in the 80s, you might recognize this figure, Samantha Baker from 16 Candles, which me and my wife still watch that movie today. Alright, next item.
It's an Iron Man coffee cup.
Iron Man coffee cup? Are you just going to drink coffee out of that, or what else are you going to drink out of that?
You can also drink hot cocoa from it.
Okay. Alright, what's the next item, baby?
A Marshmallow Man.
Not just any Marshmallow Man, from what?
From Ghostbusters. It has weird eyes.
Okay, let's show it close. Show me the next item, baby.
Next we got this cool shirt. Big shirt.
What's the next item, Layla? Show everybody. Looks like an etch sketch.
It's paper.
Sticky notes.
Sticky notes. Gift card.
Yeah, that's a $35 off gift card for, what is this? HelloFresh. Make a moment a meal. $35 off. What do you got there? Looks like we got a Nerd Block exclusive license plate pin. If you liked this unboxing, please subscribe at the link below. If you'd like to purchase this box and any other additional boxes from previous months, you can find all that information below. Layla?
And also get us fan now we have none. Video and you want to see more, there's a link in the description, and plus just check out our channel if you want to see a lot more unboxing. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and bye.